Hello guys, good afternoon from Portugal. Today I have 12 euro session. Hola a todos, boa tarde. Hoje eu tenho 6 raspadinhas, 12 euros sessão. O número 42 a 47. Okay. Summer tickets guys, Birão means summer. Okay, how to win in this ticket? We're looking for higher than the given temperature. Okay? In Portuguese, se uma ou das temperaturas for superior à temperatura máxima ganha a quantia ou a suma das quantias indicadas ao lado dessas mesmas temperaturas. Pode ganhar várias linhas. Okay, let's win in various linhas. The price is in the corner, guys. Okay, I'm using Philippine peso, moeda das Filipinas. Okay, we're looking for higher than 27 degrees. So maybe this is a winner, guys. 23, because 27 is not so high. Degrees in Portuguese, graus. I hope I pronounce it right. For 5,000. 17. 18 for 1,000. 18. 24 for 100. 21 degrees for 50. 19 for 20. 25, 15, 22, winner. Okay, so this is not a winner. 47. Okay, so let's go to ticket number 46. We're looking for higher than 41 degrees or 41 grams. 29 for 20,000, 28 for 5,000. 39 for 1,000, 21 for 100, 31, 22, 37 for 15. Must be higher than 41 degrees, guys. 30, no, it's not a winner. Let's hope the Moeda das Filipinas can give us at least a win. We're looking for higher than 37 degrees. For 20,000, 22 degrees. 22 graus, 23, 30, 25, 27, 34, 35, 18, 36, nada. 3 in a row. How about this? The odds of winning this ticket, guys, are 1 in 3.80. So maybe this is a winner. We're looking for higher than 29 degrees. 17, 25, come on, give me 30. 22, 24, 27, 21 grams, 16, 28, 19. Oh meu Deus, 4 tickets are losers. Okay, let's hope this is a winner. We're looking for higher than 29, 26, 22 graus, 23, 25, 18, 16, oh meu Deus, 17, 24, 19, oh God, 5 tickets are losers. Maybe this is a winner. Oh, this is so high. We're looking for higher than 42 degrees, 42 grams. 38, 37, 25, 42, 40, 39, 23, 36, 32 y 30. Nada. Okay, so there's no win in this session, guys. All losers. 6 tickets in a row are all losers. Okay, what can we do? At least we tried, guys. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.